A 3-minute quick tour of the WH-347 online system. WH-347 is an online system designed to help construction companies with the notorious difficult government form, the Certified Payroll WH-347. This system is designed to be used by anyone, no programming skills required. In fact, the only thing you will need is a computer, a connection to the internet, and free software called Acrobat Reader. The online system is made up of 3 databases and 3 forms. The databases store company information. The forms collect company information and then send it to be stored in the databases. First, there are 3 forms. 1 for company information, 1 for employee information, and 1 which creates the WH-347. And there are 3 databases. 1 to store your company information, 1 to store your employee information, and 1 to store your WH-347s. The forms are connected to the databases. The company form sends information to be stored in the company database. The employee form sends information to be stored in the employee database. And the WH-347 form sends information to be stored in the WH-347 database. Here's how it works. You begin with the setup. The setup is a 2-part process of entering information. Part 1, company information. In this part of the setup, you add company information like your company name, address, and information about the government project that you are working on, like the project name and number, etc. Part 2, the employee information. In this part, you add information about each employee, like the name, work classification, basic hourly wage, fringe benefit, etc. This information is sent and stored in their databases. When the setup is complete, you will not have to return to these forms again unless you need to make changes to the information. Finally, you're ready for the 3rd and final form, which is called the weekly WH-347 form. This is where you enter the information that changes each week, like the hours that each employee worked and payroll deductions like state and local taxes. When you complete this form, it imports all the information from your company and employee database and creates the weekly WH-347 PDF. This PDF is a digital document that can be emailed, signed online, and printed. You have now met the weekly requirements of the Department of Labor. Your job is done, and with a little experience, this form can be completed in about 15 minutes a week. Now let's review. Begin by performing the 2-part setup process, filling in the company information form and the employee information form. And each week, you fill in the weekly WH-347 form. When this form is complete, a PDF is generated, and of course, we archive it for you, and you can access it anytime, anywhere, online. The WH-347help.com system will help you to create your weekly 347s fast, correct, and on time. Detailed information on each form can be found in the How It Works page of our website. Thanks for watching.